So, this came in the mail today. Okay, so apparently Astro has a new controller out. I actually did not know that until we had received this package. Either way, let's just crack into it and check it out. I'm just going to be doing the unboxing for this video, but if people are interested, do a full-on review next time. And yeah, nice premium packaging for sure. Open flap below. Okay, so. Oh, that's cool. I'll put that on my wall. Okay, and what do we have here? Okay, this is the controller itself. I'm assuming this is like normal, like retail packaging, maybe? I don't know. And what else do we got? Okay, extra attachments. So. And even more attachments. Okay, so this is like Elite style controller then. And oh my god. Look at that. Fancy little external packaging. That's it for the main box part, or the box itself part. So let's get into the controller portion of it. Looks like it slides that way, and oh, that's nice. Love that premium packaging. Okay, so here is the primary package. Ooh, that is, wow. This has some serious business to it. What is this? Little Allen key screwdriver. Got a little USB, looks like wireless dongle, and the controller itself. And oh my, it's got, I mean, really nice premium feel to it. I like the location of the buttons. I mean, it's very much like natural. Oh yeah, I haven't said it already. This is a PS4 or PC controller. It does not work on Xbox. And I guess, let's see, go ahead and see if we can. And oh, look at you. Check this out. And I don't know, did these not pop out? No, I guess not. Okay, so these buttons are fixed. You can't change those. But I mean, look at these analog modules. That is really cool. The whole analog pops out. And does the D-pad as well? Oh, this, look at that. Wait. Okay, I like that. You can pop it back in, then you can do Xbox style analogs. That is really sweet. Okay, so the buttons are fixed, but I can swap out the analog. I can have double analog on one side. Don't know why I do that, but okay, so we have different heights of analog buttons. Different D-pad buttons, but let's see. Check the instructions. It gives you a torque pattern for the screws, though, but nothing that I can see about the analog. I don't know. Oh, what's this? Ooh. Standard micro B. But okay, so we have all these analog knobs. So clearly, these come off, but ooh, okay. Wow, this is. Oh, it snaps on too. It's not magnetic like the Xbox Elite, but oh, that is. Okay, so I'm gonna put the original back on. but nice and snappy. There we go. Put that back in there. Put that back in there. And go ahead and put this all back together. Okay, so initial thoughts. It feels nice, like in the hands. It feels robust. It's got some weight to it. The buttons, I like the response of the buttons. They feel solid, but also responsive. The analogs are nice and smooth, and now that I know, I can detach and reattach. And you have a decent selection of analog stick lengths and surface types. Not the most amount of buttons I've seen on a controller, but certainly as many as I would use. It's got a Wi-Fi or wired switch, so you have to actually select it, which makes sense. I don't know what the 1.2. Oh, probably pre-programmed, so you can program button configurations in and switch it between two different sets. But it's got, 4 shoulder buttons, A, B, X, Y. Assuming that's a sync button, but then you have the additional rear paddles. But all in all, this is a pretty sweet controller. If there is enough interest for it, I'll do like a proper review of the controller. Otherwise, I'll just leave it at that, at this little unboxing. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know. And if you didn't, let me know. Do tune in next time for some more real neat gear.